Day 3 of can we build a pressure washer in 3 days? If we had all our stuff, I would have said we've been done in day 2, but you know, it is because we have spent how many hours at stores, Rick? Probably 4, well, probably about 8 hours.
4 the first 5 the first day. And then what did we do yesterday?
3 yesterday.
Yeah.
So we spent 8 hours trying to go around trying to find stuff to make stuff work because we didn't get our stuff that we needed.
And went back to the same store, a couple of the same stores twice.
Yeah, just to make sure that we couldn't find what we couldn't find anyway.
We couldn't find the first one. But at least we know it's not there. Thoroughly.
So today we're just putting some water in while we're waiting some parts. They are getting overnighted it to us by the company. And so we are trying just to see, you know, what's leaking, what's not leaking, if there's anything that we need to fix. And we can start the pressure washer and run this pressure washer. We can run the pressure washer, make sure it's all working right and properly. And so that's what we are doing right now. I may fill this thing all the way up and then we'll probably dump it, but I may fill it all the way up just to see if the float valve is working properly and seeing how the pressure and seeing all of that kind of stuff for the pressure washer. So our parts are supposed to be in here by around 11 o'clock today. And so hopefully if our parts are in, we will be able to get the gas pump up and running. We'll have our pressure washing up and running, and we'll be ready to rock and roll to get this thing moving. Today, we have Rick Jr. right here. If y'all don't know Rick Jr., this is Rick Jr. He's about as hyper as Rick is. So
he owns the company.
He owns the company. His wife calls him Rick on crack. So, but yeah, if you want to know how Rick is, watch this dog here shortly, and you'll see how Rick is. See, just outside, that's Rick. So, that's fine. That's hot. I think
Yeah, the bird.